So welcome back to Motorhead UK. I'm with Zane in the other car. So he's in the black one and I'm in the yellow one today. We're going to go-karting at Brentwood. It's just a little break for us because all we do seems to be doing editing, videoing, working on the cars. So it's nice just to get out on them. Even though it is raining today, so it'll make it more interesting. But my girlfriend actually bought these vouchers for me for my birthday. So thanks for her. And we and Zane are going to go and enjoy ourselves and have a day off. So let's see who wins. I reckon it's going to be me, but Zane's reckons it's probably going to be him, but who knows. After a bumpy old ride through Brentwood, we're nearly there. We're just pulling up now, and well, I tell you what, that was back aching work. I forgot how annoying it is driving one of these things. But yeah, they look very good and they sound good, but driving on a bumpy road is not the one. Right, speed bumps as well. But yeah. Come on. Yeah, it's all good fun. Another speed bump. Me and Zane have finally made it to go-karting, and good news, we've actually got the black car, where is it? There, and the yellow car, both on the road at the same time. And I tell you what, it was an interesting drive out there, wasn't it?
It's not too bad.
Like, it was very bouncy going through Brentwood. I was literally like this, and I could see the lights in your car going, so I think it's even worse, but they do look really good together, like.
A yellow flag. Slow down to half race speed. There's an incident ahead. No overtaking. Red flag. You must bring your cart to an immediate but controlled stop and wait for marshal instruction. Checkered flag. The race is finished. Slow down to half race speed and return to the pits.
me and Zane just finished off go-karting. Of course, I did win. I'll leave the times up in here so you can see. And yeah, it was all good fun. I'm a bit achy now. Like, I haven't done it in a few years now. So yeah, it was good fun. We're going to drive home now and probably get something to eat and chill for us.